How to change Netflix password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can actually change a Netflix password, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to change a Netflix password, it's actually quite simple. Now you could be logged in on the app or you could be logged in on the browser. It doesn't really matter. Just go ahead and then open your browser and go to netflix.com and log into the account. Then after you do that, what you basically want to do is to tap the three lines option from the top left, and here you'll find an option known as account, so make sure to tap the account option here. Once you tap on account option, you're going to be landed on this page where you'll find the option known as change password. So if you now tap the change password option, you have to verify your current password, and after you verify your current password, you can enter the new password, re-enter them, tap on the save option from the bottom, and your password will get successfully changed. This way you will be able to actually go ahead and then send and change password on Netflix. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.